Boom. This doesn't say clown, really. Kind of. Maybe. Man. This look might be a flop. Hey y'all, it's your Nida. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see, I've got something definitely different and something I usually do not do on my channel, which is whatever this is. So as you guys know, Halloween is right around the corner. I wanted to do a Halloween look or a more Halloween look on myself, and I don't know how I feel about this. Like, in a sense, I'm like, ooh, she's cute, and then in another sense, I'm like, what are we? And I was going for clown, and as you're gonna see in the video, I think I went a little too far, but I reeled it back. Okay, I fixed it. So I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Stay tuned to see how I did this. Yeah. All right, guys. Y'all ready to go on this journey of a train wreck with me? So this is supposed to be a neon clown look, and right now I am just sketching out my triangles. I did the first two, not realizing my camera wasn't on, so you guys will see me do the bottom two. I'm using a NYX white eyeliner pencil. My face is already done. You would typically want to do your base before you start doing all of this. After I'm done sketching this out, I'm going to go in with some white face paint. Do not remember the name of it, but I will list it below in the description box. I got it from Michael's for pretty cheap. It is a water activated face paint. So all you have to do is dip your brush in a little bit of water, swirl it around your face paint, and you're cool. This face paint actually is really easy to work with. It doesn't cause any irritation, at least on my skin. And it's best if you're going to do this look using this face paint with a very thin paintbrush. I also got these from Michael's. I got like a pack of them. It was like a pack of 5 for maybe like $1. I don't remember the name of these, but I will track them down and put them in the description box. So when you're doing this part and you're filling in your outline with the white face paint, you're going to need to have a very steady hand. I don't typically have a very steady hand, and I made it worse because I was watching Superman the animated series while doing this, so I wasn't completely focused on my task. And let me tell you something, guys, there just comes a point after like an hour and 45 minutes of doing this, and you look in the mirror and you're just like, well, shit. Yeah, this whole tutorial is, yeah, it's definitely one for the record books, guys. Well, regardless of my crude face painting skills, this is where things started to take a downhill turn. So I was like, oh, I should do the mouth part because I can't just leave just triangles and circles on my face because that doesn't scream clown. So I got to do the mouth part. And this is me outlining my lips with the NYX eyeliner pencil. It was going pretty okay until I started trying to elongate the corner of my lips. And because this pencil doesn't have a fine point, it's one of those like retractable kind of crayon type pencils. It didn't give me the precise sharp line that I needed. So it was just kind of funny, but it was like, oh, you know, when I go over it with the face paint, it'll work out. And it kind of did. You know, it was doable. Until it wasn't doable anymore. Thankfully for Neutrogena makeup wipes, I was able to clean up a little bit of the extra eyeliner pencil that just kind of got all over the place. So now I'm just going in with the white face paint, and I'm just trying to very carefully fill in a clean, thin line to line my lips. All right, so now I'm going to grab this BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking this bright blue color in the palette, and I'm going to be using that to shade around my lines, and that's going to create that neon glow. And after I'm done shading, I'm going to go back over my lines with the white face paint. This look is kind of time consuming because it's a lot of, filling in and a lot of drawing and things like that. And if you are like me, who's not the best at drawing, this can be a little ambitious, but I wouldn't say don't try it. If you're dedicated and you really want to do it, by all means, do it. Don't let your dreams be dreams. But for me, this was a lesson in that I need to think more about my ideas before I decide to put them on my face. And this voiceover has been mad negative. I'm sorry, guys. I wanted this look to come out better than this. And in my mind, I was like, oh, you're killing it. This is going to be great. And then I started to do this mouth portion, and I was like, ooh, this might not be as great as you think it's going to be. But you know what? You're going to put this video up. So I think next time, if I attempt this again, I will definitely use a smaller brush around the mouth, and I will use a more precise eyeliner pencil for the mouth portion as well. So right now I'm just going back over my lines with my white face paint because that's really what's going to make the blue around it pop. Okay, so because at this point I had all the way second guessed myself, I wiped the mouth portion off and redid it, and I decided to just use a gloss and take some white eyeliner and do a wing. And now I'm taking a NYX Vivid Brights liner in a clean color liner in yellow and a lime green, and I'm just making some dots because, why the hell not add dots? Yeah, famous last words. But that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Hey, my name is Nida, and I'm explaining to you my flop, and you're watching Disney Channel. Dun, 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 dun. I didn't do the mouse right. Oh my god. Yeah, this might have been a flop. I might have just got handed my first real YouTube L. So it's not. I mean, she's kind of cute. Look at the little dots. And the gloss is everything. Like, my base looks great. But I can't take off any of this without taking off my base. Alright, I'm gonna take the earrings off. Alright, I just gotta fight myself. I have to fight myself. I gotta take the earrings off. Like, I have to fight myself. Just gotta, myself has gotta catch these. Punch his hair. Man, yeah, this wasn't it, Chief. But you know what? It's done. This video has been recorded.